Hello everyone, so we are back again and I'm really very sorry that I couldn't upload the regular videos. I was not feeling well, I was feeling under the weather, so now I'm back again and hopefully I'm gonna put the content regularly. I'll try my best. Okay, so we have our subscriber and they have requested us to do the order of operations today. So in our terms we can call it BODMAS, PEDMAS, PEMDAS, all these things, okay? But generally, like all over the world, it's called order of operations. Like when more than one operation is given, plus, minus, multiply, divide, whatever, and which order, which order should we follow? Which operation should we do first and the other after, okay? So come on, let's get started. Okay, what are the operations we have? Plus, minus, multiply, divide, brackets. I know it's not operation, but brackets or parentheses. So they are also called brackets or parentheses. Yeah, just check the spelling because, yeah, okay. So, and off is also a thing. Somewhere off, like in smaller classes, we study off and everything. And there is O. O means order as well. Like order means powers. You can consider it as like power thing. So I hope you can see here and power. Okay, so till here, these are the operations we're going to talk about. Then we're going to talk about the order of operation. Like, suppose we have 7 multiply 9 plus 1 divided by 3. I don't know, like, would I solve this whole and then divide by 3? Would I do 1 divided by 3 first? How would that work, right? So this whole thing is called order of operations. And another thing, order of operation can also be written as BODMAS, PEDMAS, PEMDAS. If you know something else other than that, do comment in the comment box so that I can also know about that. And yeah, let's get started with this. Okay, so we have BODMAS, PEMDAS and everything, right? Let's first of all get to know about their full forms, right? So B means bracket, O means off or order. Order means power. Okay, these all things like are coming under O only. Okay, D, divide. M, multiply. A, addition. S, subtraction. Easy? Okay. Same thing goes here. S, subtraction. A, addition. D means divide. M means multiply. And E means exponent. See? I just told you that power can also be considered. So E means exponent and P for parenthesis. I already wrote that whole spelling. Okay. So brackets and parentheses are the same thing. Now, AS, okay. Bracket comes first, okay. Order, exponent, okay. What's that? Why are they suddenly interchanged? Good question. But they are not interchanged actually. They lie on same level, okay? So let me tell you, they lie on same level. They lie on same level, okay? They are like twins. You can't say, oh, D comes first, M comes first. No. They are twins. You have to serve them together, okay? But yeah, in twins also, like, there is a sibling who comes, like, who came into life first and everything, right? So, first serves first, right? Like, first comes first serves, like that, whatever, okay? So, this part and this part. Now, multiplication and division are siblings. Plus and minus, addition and subtraction are siblings. So you have to serve them. How are they coming, right? Like from left to right only, normally. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, so I hope you can see these two examples. These are the examples of, sorry about the background noise. These are the examples of BODMAS, okay? So I have just taken division and multiplication because they are lying on same level. So first comes first served basis, right? So do not go for multiplication first. You have to go for this thing first. 4 divided by 2 is 2 as it is. Hence, the final answer would be 6. You can put this thing in your calculator as well and you're going to get 6 answer. Okay. While here, I know in BODMAS, D comes first. So student think that we can do D first. Though in this case only in this case, coincidentally, the answer would be same. But I would suggest again, go this way. And whatever comes first should be served first. So 6 divided by 4, which is 3 divided by 2 when you cancel out, right? And which is 1.5. Okay. So when you put this thing in calculator, your answer would be 1.5 as well. So I hope till here they are making sense, like how to use them, right? Okay. Next question would be, okay, so let's talk about this very question. Now, this is the question of addition and subtraction. I really want to show you. Now we're going to talk about this addition and subtraction, this one. And let's see how the order changes, right? I know we have addition first. Now, Addition is coming first. So in BODMAS, if we see BODMAS, BODMAS, so this is very common mistake that people think that A is coming first, so solve A is together, like A, okay. 4 plus 3, 7, minus as it is, 6 plus 3, 9, okay. The answer is -2. Nope, answer is not -2. That's an incorrect method. So what would be the correct method? 4 plus 3 minus 6 plus 3 is given, right? Is there any bracket you can see? No. Why are you doing these first? They are twins. If A is coming first, okay, solve first. Good. Write the remaining thing as it is. Now, which operation is coming first? Which operation is coming first, right? Like, which operation? Subtraction. This would become 1. 7 minus 6, 1 plus 3 as it is. Now, which operation left? 4. That is the right answer. So, if you're gonna put this part in calculator, you're gonna get answer 4. I hope that is making sense, right? So, let's do some of the questions of order of operation, or you can say BODMAS, PEMDAS, anything. Let's check this question. So, we are using BODMAS. I would suggest you write BODMAS like this, like D and M together, A and S together, because a few people only know about this thing, right? Okay. Now, B, is there any bracket? Check. Yes. So let's solve the bracket first. This would be as it is. Solve the bracket first. In bracket also we need to apply PEMDAS, BODMAS, everything. Okay. Now, how? In bracket we have two operations. Now plus is coming first or off is coming first? Oh, off. Then addition is coming. Okay. Go this way. Addition is coming in the last. So 6 plus 2 of 4. 2 of 4 means off means multiplication. Okay. Now we have to solve off first. Again. Now, this would be solved first. Makes sense? Now, still, I know addition comes last, but bracket comes first. Bracket is coming first, right? Okay. This became 14. Now we have again the same situation, division and multiplication, right? They are twins. Whoever comes first would be solved first, okay? So, 8 divided by 4, 2 times 14. Answer would be 28, and you can check this answer with your calculator as well. So, let's do another question. Let's start with this question. So, brackets. Can you see so many types of brackets? Now, first of all, we're going to solve this first bracket, like this very part, okay? In this bracket only, we're going to use BODMAS. Another thing, there is another word, like term we use for BODMAS other than PEMDAS, right? Okay, I'll tell you in the end. So, here, what is coming first? Division. Let's solve it first. This would make 30 times 6 as it is plus 45 as it is, right? This as it is times 2 as it is, this as it is, half as it is times 5, okay? Then just complete it. Next. Now, what comes second? Addition or multiplication? Addition. 180 plus 45 as it is times 2, half times 5. I hope this is making sense till here. Okay. Now, $225 times 2, this got solved times 2. So, this is left. Half this times 5 as it is, right? Now, 225 would give you 450 divided by half times 5. Till here, I hope it makes sense. Now, next one would become, what is 450 divided by half? Please. Do not write it as 450 divided by 2. They are not talking about 450's half. They are saying 450 divided by half means 450 times 2 over 1 means 450 is double, 900. Okay, so this would give you 900 times 5. So answer is 4500. This. Its answer is this, and you can directly put this thing in the calculator and get this answer. Let's talk about this question. So, here we have introduced the index as well, right? Okay, index, exponent, whatever you want to call. So, if I write PEMDAS, PEDMAS, same thing, right? So, first of all, can I see any parenthesis? Can I see any bracket? Yes. Try to solve it using the PEMDAS again, this whole thing, right? What is coming inside the bracket? Another bracket. And in another bracket, what do we have? A square and a subtraction sign, right? So, square would be solved first. So, this became 36. Minus 12 as it is, divided by 4 as it is, minus 3 as it is, times 2 plus 13, divided by here, 96 here as it is, right? Okay, next. Now here, because it's a bracket, I do not care if there is division, anything, right? Because it's bracket would be solved first. Parenthesis, brackets, parenthesis would be solved first. So divided by 36 minus 12 is 24. And when you divide it, sorry about that, you solved it, you opened it, right? This minus 3, then times 2 plus 13 as it is, right? Now, division have come together. How would you solve it? Always solve the first division first. Always. 96 divided by 24, what is the answer? 4. Divided by 4, I just solved this one first. Minus 3 times 2 plus 13 as it is. Now, 4 divided by 4 minus 3, because parenthesis should be solved first. So, 1 minus 3 multiply 2 plus 13. This would give you minus 2. Now, you have it opened. Okay? Please do not go 4 divided by 1. Nope. That's why we are doing order of operations, right? Okay. So, minus 2 here times by 2 plus 13. Okay. What would happen here? This is negative 2 times 2, right? Like minus times 2. How? Would you consider it minus? Would you consider it multiplication? How? Okay. So, this is negative 2 for us. And negative 2 times 2 would give you negative 4 plus 13. And I hope by now you know the answer of negative 4 plus 13. It's 13 minus 4 only. So, answer is 9. And that is the final answer. And I hope you understood today's lesson. Oh, last but not the least. So, we have done BODMAS, PEDMAS, PEMDAS, all these are same thing. This is exponent, this is order, same thing, right? So, if this is exponent, so there is another word for exponent, which is indices, right? So, it would be BODMAS. That is also another term to use in order of operations. When we have more than one operation, we're going to go for order of operations. Thanks for watching, guys. Do comment below any other concept you want me to explain over here. And happy learning. Bye-bye.